Forecast.
Well, we enjoyed some unseasonably warm temperatures on this Wednesday, Christmas Eve. And yeah, we had a good amount of sunshine throughout the course of the day. And then we started to see more of those high mid-level clouds filter in, made for a nice sunset sky this evening. James Wilson captured that from North Garden. Let's take a look at high temperatures across the Commonwealth and beyond. 65 today, 16 degrees above average, 63 in Richmond. How about 70 in Danville and 67 in Roanoke? Numbers, again, more reminiscent of late October or early April across the region. So that continues our stretch of above average temperatures since last Wednesday. Of course, the first half of the month was certainly characterized by colder than average temperatures. And of course, we had 2 snow events as well. Right now, we're 54 at the airport, 52 in Madison, 52 currently in Waynesboro, it's 55 in Palmyra, and 47 currently in Dillwyn. You see some of those clouds continue to filter in from the north and west. That'll be the case as we go through the overnight period, eventually leading to some rain showers. So temperatures pretty much from the mid-30s to around 40, and closer to and just after daybreak, that's going to be the best opportunity for some of those rain showers across the region. By about 8, 9 o'clock, from west to east, they'll be tapering off. And as we move into Christmas Day afternoon, we'll call it variably cloudy skies. Temperatures should still climb for many of us in the low 60s. So maybe not as prominent with the sunshine as it was today, but still some mild temperatures to enjoy. Then it's kind of a big drop off in the numbers here for Friday, as numbers will likely hold throughout the 30s, and there'll be an opportunity for a few showers or some drizzle. Could mix with a little bit of sleet at the onset. We'll watch that closely, but again, the deeper moisture is going to be off to our north. And then we're back in the 50s here for the weekend, so it'll turn a little bit milder, but really today and tomorrow in terms of the really warm stuff. So on Friday, temperatures stuck in the 30s, a cold rain, it's light activity expected, and again, there could be some sleet or a little bit of wintry mix farther to our north. Again, look at the big difference in temperatures as we'll have basically a pattern with northeasterly winds. This is what we call cold air damming. The air mass is one that, again, with high pressure to the north, easterly winds and northeasterly winds drain that down the eastern facing slopes of the mountains. But between tomorrow morning's rain and also Friday's potential for a little light rain, amounts will generally be well under ½ an inch. So these clouds will eventually lead to some showers by daybreak. Big storminess continues out west. That's been the ongoing story. Many counties under emergencies because of the flooding rain. Of course, big snows in the Sierras and the Cascades. And again, that's the most problematic area of the country. Meanwhile, big warmth across the southern plain states, and we're kind of caught in the battle zone between the colder air and the really warm stuff. So here we are in the morning. Christmas morning, some rain showers early, and then we'll start to see variably cloudy skies by afternoon, many of us in the low 60s, so still mild. And then we cloud up into Friday, winds turn northeasterly, it's a cold day, and we could have some patches of some light rain, a little bit of sleet mixed in, temperatures in the 30s. So tonight, there'll be some showers developing toward daybreak or just shortly before and shortly after. And then as we look ahead to your afternoon, it shapes up nicely with mild temperatures, and then a drop off in the numbers there on Friday, 50s this weekend. And temperatures will fall on Monday as an Arctic front comes through. We're back in the 30s here for daytime highs by Tuesday.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you.